Today in this video I am going to deal with Clairaut's equation. So here the differential equation of the form y equals to xp plus f of p is called the Clairaut's equation. So what is Clairaut's equation here? Y equals to xp plus f of p. This equation is called as Clairaut's equation, where p equals to dy by dx. P equals to dy by dx. Now let us discuss about solution of Clairaut's equation. So the Clairaut's equation of the form y equals to f of x comma p. What is the Clairaut's equation of the form? The Clairaut's equation of the form y equals to f of x comma p. This is a form of Clairaut's equation. This equation has a singular solution. Therefore, it can be solvable for y. Now here y equals to xp plus f of p. This we are considering as equation 1. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x we get. So we are differentiating this equation 1 with respect to x. So then dy by dx equals to, here we are applying uv form. So what is u here? U equals to x. So differentiation of x means 1. What is p here? V equals to p. So 1 into p. P plus what is u here? X. X into v means here p. With respect to x we are differentiating. So x into dp by dx plus differentiation of f of p, f dash of p into inner derivative dp into dp by dx. Since p equals to dy by dx, so in the place of dy by dx we are substituting here p. So p equals to p plus here we are taking dp by dx common. So p plus x plus f dash of p into dp by dx. That implies x plus f dash of p into dp by dx equals to p plus p comes here becomes minus p. So p minus p. That implies x plus f dash of p into dp by dx equals to p minus p 0. Now we have to separate this dp by dx equals to 0 and x plus f dash of p equals to 0. So case 1 dp by dx equals to 0. Now here 1 into dt equals to 0 into dx. Differentiation of 1 into dp, what we will get? P equals to 0 plus constant. That implies p equals to 0 plus c. Now substitute this p equals to c in equation 1. So what is equation 1 here? Y equals to xp plus f of p. So in the place of p we are substituting c. That implies y equals to xc plus f of c, which is the general solution. Now before going to case 2, let us know one definition. What is the definition? Singular solution. So singular solution is a solution with arbitrary constant. What is the constant here? Arbitrary constant c. It is a solution which has an arbitrary constant c, but it is not derived from the general solution. It has an arbitrary constant c, but it is not derived from the general solution. Now case 2, x plus f dash of p equals to 0, which we are considering as equation 3. Now after solving this equation we get a solution. What is the solution here? Pi of x comma p equals to 4. This we are considering as equation 4. After that, then eliminate p. Then we are eliminating p from equations 1 and 4. Then we get a solution. What is the solution here? F of x comma y equals to 0 is a singular solution. This solution is a singular solution. Now let us discuss an example problem. So what is given here? Solve y minus xp into p minus 1 equals to p. So coming to solution, y minus xp into p minus 1 equals to p. This we are considering as equation 1. Now that implies y minus xp equals to p by, now this into form becomes here division, p by p minus 1. That implies y equals to, now this xp goes this side, so becomes plus xp plus as it is here p by p minus 1. Now it is in the form of y equals to xp plus f of p. Now differentiate with respect to x. That implies dy by dx equals to, so here we are applying uv formula. So what is uv formula? Since uv dx equals to u dash v plus uv dash. So here u equals to x. So differentiation of x 1 into v. What is v here? P plus what is u? X into what is v? P. So we are differentiating with respect to x. So x into dp by dx plus this is in the form of, here we are applying u by v formula. So what is u by v? U by v dx equals to u dash v minus uv dash by v square. So here what is u here? P. So with respect to x we are differentiating. So dp by dx into what is v here? P minus 1 into p minus 1 minus what is u? P. What is v here? P minus 1. So with respect to x we are differentiating. So dp by dx, differentiation of constant means 0. So p, what we will get here? P into dp by dx by v square. What is v here? P minus 1 whole square. That implies here dy by dx we are substituting. Dy by dx equals to p equals to 1 into p means p plus x into dp by dx plus, now here we are taking dp by dx common. So p minus 1 minus p, here dp by dx we are taking common. So p minus 1 minus p into dp by dx by p minus 1 whole square. In the place of dy by dx what we are substituting here? P. Implies p equals to p plus x into dp by dx. Here plus p minus p cancelled. So plus into minus minus 1 by p minus 1 whole square into dp by dx. That implies p equals to p plus, now here we are taking dp by dx common. So x minus 1 by p minus 1 whole square into dp by dx. That implies x minus 1 by p minus 1 whole square into dp by dx equals to p. Here plus p we are taking this side, so it becomes minus p. That implies x minus 1 by p minus 1 whole square into dp by dx equals to p minus p 0. Now we have to separate this both. So dp by dx equals to 0 and x minus 1 by p minus 1 whole square equals to 0. As we have discussed earlier in the Clairaut's equation, we are considering this both as case 1 and case 2. So what is case 1 here? dp by dx equals to 0. That implies dp equals to 0 into dx. So 1 into dp, again dp only we will get. So that implies differentiation of 1 into dp means p equals to 0 plus constant. That implies p equals to c. Substitute p equals to c in equation 1. Is equation 1 here? Y minus xp into p minus 1 equals to p. So what we have to substitute? P equals to c. So in the place of p we have to substitute c here. Y minus cx into c minus 1 equals to c. Therefore, general solution is y minus cx into c minus 1 equals to c. This is the general solution. So for singular solution, consider x minus 1 by p minus 1 whole square equals to 0. This is case 2. For implies x equals to 1 by p minus 1 whole square. That implies x into, Now this p minus 1 whole square goes this side. So x into p minus 1 whole square equals to 1. That implies p minus 1 whole square equals to 1 by x. Now this x comes this side, so becomes division. So p minus 1 whole square equals to 1 by x. So that implies p minus 1 equals to plus or minus, this square becomes here root. So p minus 1 equals to plus or minus 1 by x under root. That implies p equals to plus or minus 1 by x under root. Now this minus 1 comes here and becomes plus 1. Now substitute p equals to plus or minus 1 by x under root plus 1 in equation 1. So we have to substitute this p value in equation 1. So y minus x into, what is p here, plus or minus 1 by x under root plus 1 into plus or minus 1 by x under root plus 1, here again minus 1 equals to plus or minus, what is p here, plus or minus 1 by x under root plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So this is the answer. So here some differential equations can be transformed into Clairaut's form by suitable substitution. We can transform some differential equations to Clairaut's form by suitable substitution. So let us discuss an example problem. Solve y square equals to pxy plus f of py by x. So given equation we are considering as equation 1. Now substitute, as we have discussed, some differential equations can be transformed into Clairaut's form by suitable substitution. So for that we are substituting x square equals to capital X and y square equals to capital Y. So now we are differentiating both this x square and y square with respect to x and y. So now differentiation of x square, 2x dx. Differentiation of x is dx here. So again we are differentiating this with respect to y. So differentiation of y square, 2y dy equals to dy. So now dy by dx equals to 2, what is dy here? 2y dy by what is dx here? 2x dx. So now this both 2's are cancelled. So here d capital Y by d capital X. So we have to take here capital P. So we know that dy by dx equals to small p. So here p equals to y by x into dy by dx means again p. That implies now we have to take this x this side. So x into p by x into p equals to yp. That implies x, now we have to take this y this side. So x by y becomes division. X by y into p equals to p. Therefore p equals to x by y into p. Now substitute this p equals to x by y into p in equation 1. We have to substitute this p value in equation 1. What is equation 1? Y square equals to pxy plus f of py by x. So in the place of y square, what we have to substitute? Capital Y. Y equals to, what is p here? X by y into p into xy plus f of, what is p here? X by y into p into y by x. Now here this y and this y both are cancelled. Here this x and y are cancelled. So both x are cancelled, both y's are cancelled. So that implies what is remaining here? Y equals to x into x, x square. X square p plus f of p implies y equals to, what is x square? In the place of x square, what we have to substitute? X. X p plus f of p. This is the Clairaut's differential equation. So, therefore, general solution is y equals to xc plus f of c. In the place of p, we are substituting c. So, where c is an arbitrary constant. This is the solution.